It's only a few months until I need compost for my garden, so I gotta make sure the farm hands are hard at work. They're not slacking. All right, looks like the crew's all here. What's this? What is this, guys? Why isn't this broken down yet? What's that? That looks like a piece off a giant radish. Besides some of these bulkier pieces, looks like the chickens are doing a pretty good job out here. Real nice scratch spot right here. And look at this. Look what these chickens are making for me. A while back, I showed you guys how I'm using my chickens to make compost for me in their chicken run with the deep litter method. And I can tell you, of all the ways to compost, I think this is by far the easiest because it does not require much work out of me. These guys do all the work. All I really got to do is throw organic material in here. Maybe a little scratch grain, some mealworms or something, stuff chickens like to eat, some food scraps, and their natural instincts kick in. And these chickens are mixing up this pile for me. So I don't have to turn the pile. But there is one thing I do inside the run here. I'll take a rake. I'll take all this, put it in a big pile, and the chickens are going to have this spread out in no time. First video I made, we've made a lot of progress in here. Most of this was full leaves, like oak leaves, just dried leaves from the fall. Usually you want to chip those up if you're going to put them in your compost. Got some straw in here. That was just full lengths of straw, not chipped up. Making really good progress here. You can't really even see the leaves too much. The chickens have scratched through them so much that they're broken down pretty far already. Little pieces in there, but not much. The way they're working, I think we're going to have a good haul of compost for the springtime. Like I said, you can see the chickens scratching around. They're spreading this pile back out. When I come back out here in about a half hour to an hour, this pile I just made is going to be dispersed throughout this run. And when it's dispersed back out through here again, the chickens are going to be doing the same thing. They're going to come out here every day, and they just kind of kick around and look for food that might not even be inside here, but they're always searching, and that's good because it keeps this whole pile moving, keeps it aerated. When I first started doing this, I was worried that my run was going to get really slimy and it was going to be bad for the chickens' feet because I was using sand in here before because it kept their feet nice and dry. But one thing I noticed is this does not stay too moist and it's never too dry. So it's good for the composting action. We did have one winter storm where a lot of snow got in here, made everything wet. All I did then was mix it up like I did here, threw a little bit of extra dry material in there, and everything balanced out. Guys, I found turkey bone from Thanksgiving. This also gives my chickens something to do. I don't free range my chickens because I like my chickens and I don't want them to get eaten by hawks. So they come out here, dig around, find stuff for food, and they have a great time. You can see what I'm talking about. This pile is already shrinking and getting kicked around the run here. When you're trying to make compost on a larger scale, especially in the wintertime, it's harder to find green materials, but the chickens have this magic trick they do where they can take just about anything, filter it through their bodies, and produce nitrogen. That nitrogen, when it gets mixed through here, is really helping to break this down fast. Good job, guys. Take a breather. All right, things going pretty good out there. Nobody's getting fired today. Thanks for watching.